Are you on the YouTube page, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try the Facebook page then, if you do that one. Okay, they're both live.
Fáilte roimh isteach a cháirde go Fleadh Connacht Fleadh agus tá míad tachuamh an ó chunta bhuio a méal átha na muice. Inis tá tús curtha going le nar neistar ceol ver timppel na tíre, be mi den átha buí an tachtan se chuing, be mi den inis ar an ciad lás fehead, agus be mi suas ó huig I gusláán an éireann ar an 8 lás fehead, a bailú ceoltóirí na tíre le chéile chun aigehort ar drithid átha ar feig Fleadh na Héireann Fleadh. Inis chun tús a chur le himachtaí na híthe nacht churigí fáilte mór ribh Alfie.
Oh, in Dublin town we wander round. They say we have no cares in the world, sir, and we have no jobs to get a few bob, 'cause half of Dublin city's on the dole, sir. And you ask me why we always smile, and why we always walk in the straight line, sir, with our twisted grins and our wagging chins. And why we always walk in a straight line, sir? Oh well,
it's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir, and the time must pass. Won't you fill my glass and paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir, and paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
We've got market cars for the early jars, the cabin heebie-jeebies and the shakes, sir. We get a bit of sun while the holy year runs, then it's back to the business of the day, sir, and the problems of the world we all unfurl, and nobody admits to being wrong, sir. We argue blind till closing time about the government, the buses and the bombs, sir. Oh well,
it's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir, and the time must pass. Won't you fill my glass and paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir, and paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
Well, the Dublin bus is a joke to us. In Ballymung they call them UFO, sir. Still we all look well, 'cause we walk like hell. We're the buses strike whenever they like. When they never run a dull, sir. They cough and stutter and they splatter and splutter. They move along clinging to the wall, sir. Oh well,
It's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir. And the time must pass, won't you fill my glass? And paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir. And paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
While we've a government, that's an ornament. Half of them have nothing for a brain, sir. They've an IQ rate of a garden gate. They couldn't run a puddle down the drain, sir. And they wave and smile and they kiss your child. They promise them the earth and moon and stars, sir. But when it comes to the crunch, you'll find a whole bunch drinking Bloody Marys in the bar, sir. Oh well,
It's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir. And the time must pass, won't you fill my glass? And paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir. And paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
well, here's to them rats, those horrors on the mats. To the elephants, leprechauns and spiders. To the things that crawl in your kitchen wall. And the things that go bump in the night, sir. And to conclude, here's a song for you, for helping me decorate me table, sir. Said, would you ever pay for the takeaway and help me get along while I'm able, sir? Oh well,
It's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir. And the time must pass, won't you fill my glass? And paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir. And paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
oh well,
It's drink, drink, the country's on the brink. You know a man's life isn't long, sir. And the time must pass, won't you fill my glass?
and
Paint a bit of Ireland in my song, sir.
and
Paint a bit of Ireland in my song.
Well, buiachar buchantar sin agus sin just tuile don ceol even a dhéanamh mar hafadar a nómh an sa ag an ionad cultúrtha I lár baile béal áhan na muice. Inis, féchaigí ar seo. massive fiddléirí atá sa agus Colleen áling lem hash Kate ó Connacht Fleadh, Kate darg an the bhaile san comórta síineh.
Yeah.
Aberlum cad a bhuaig tú, cad a thug tú leat bhaile?
Bhí mé an Connacht Fleadh cúide go dtí 8.
An the bha. Agus aráníocht?
For mé an tríú náit san aráníocht.
An the bha. So I think go tú chun stay árán na huirting in ish, bhfuil?
Yeah, Connie mé táliúr waga.
Okay, má bhan. Well, fág míid chúta é, so.
Shahí sa gon tubar se chuir me an fáine mú. Sé arf mé an hanir ba deis ba bhráid se snú. Bhí a grú a trí lásas a licin mar flán nu. Is mai arc se me se níor licin mo chlán jalom. Stomach san féin a fregur fra tú le chacht. Ó doscail an duris is ligin nu hain is se. Ó churn sa labas sa línin éna glad. Is bonin pong millis tí muite de bhélín jazz. A holler a waga ní fósi me hu marar. A fósi me an talviú ein is good am a chach. An sé iris so hot and sa crahís an síle gard. Sná sín cos there is ag fadil sig rúgu cearg. A hollerín sora cé fósa tú hain marar. Do chuis lurgan ní dóte suigé má dóha go teach. É cur sísa do chósa san séu ná daní lad. Smach dabach smach dara an ingrami do hón ón hab. Sin náte bín foscail bín fód an is fair. Bín ceolban amach de bant malas bor an grave. Bín an bradan ag prabas racalig snob go ré. Is mós dúin faoi latram ag far ela le fáin an lei.
Má bhan tú hain, bhí sé sin go háling, go hóntaach. Agus fiddléir eile aha im hánta an sa Kevin Brogan from Galway. How are you?
Good now.
Very good. So tell me, what did you win today?
The 12 to 15 solo fiddle competition.
Very good. And tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from? What age are you?
I'm 13 from Monavey. I play soccer, hurling and Gaelic football.
Very good. And you're playing the fiddle. Who's teaching you?
You are?
I know. There you go. Anava. And what are you going to play for us tonight?
Jenny's Welcome to Charlie.
Great. Good man. Right. You give it a lash there and I'll jump in with you after. cheart de cháde ha se námuging aigehoort a roint an cheoile a dhéanamar hafadar an sa a rihin lei fech géir seo. an cheol í sin a cháde a chanis hamansa le fear anna speisialta fear á túil agus buatóir an comórtas fadíal fé dóéag am léana. Kevin, how are you?
Good.
You're going to play me a tune or whistle me a tune.
Yeah.
Jeez, you have some set of lungs on you. Brilliant. Good man. We'll see you in Drogheda, please God. And we'll get another one off you then, huh? Gurmila Mahagats, fair play. And ish hami de dul a charge gadi Bert Kiltor Ella O'Toole. Shuhagave, Joe McNulty, agus Tommy Doherty.
4, 2, 3, 4.
yous, lads. That was great. It's all coming up Mayo this weekend. Well, sinna wenge and so ó chuntah bhui ó a nocht de chard. Bemi tarnash an tachtan se chuin gan hours ó áha bui. Bemi den inish an tachtan ní son ar an henu las vihit agus an son ó huigling gudi kushlan Elan ar feig Fleadh ulla. Wenge and so mui ó. I have a